Okay, you're welcome to this particular course section. So in this particular course, we'll be taking practically an information gathering tool called the SSL scanner. Just as the name implies, the SSL scanner is actually a tool that sends queries to a web server to probe the SSL and the TLS. It actually reports protocol versions, cipher suites, key exchanges, signature algorithms, and certificates in use. This helps the user to understand which parameters are weak from a security standpoint. So with that being said, let's take some few examples. So you just go up here to view the syntax. So with that being said, let's take some few examples. So the options that we would be using would be commensurate to the degree of information that we are actually looking for. So let's say we want to see its certificates. So we're showing certificates. We come over here. Let's go ahead to actually close this. So the port that we'll be using would be the port 80. So I'll go ahead. As you can see, certificate information cannot be retrieved. You can go ahead to switch options depending on the degree of information that you would want to draw from this particular web server. So on this particular tool, it's quite easy to master, and it can actually give you an edge on your journey of penetration testing, and it's actually helpful. So I will be seeing you in my next course. Bye for now.